Hello dear students, let us start with a new video of general science. Topic is muscular system and digestive system in human. This is the muscular systems. When we are studying a muscular system, we should know that what are muscles, what is meant by organ system, how are bones in our body joined to each other. Organ system is being started with a tissue and tissue is formed from the cells. Many cells it come together to form tissue and tissue forms an organ. In this way the organ system is compiled. Close your fist tightly and bend your arms at the elbow. Now feel the upper part of this arm with the fingers on the other hand. What do you experience? Did you feel the hardness in the upper arm? This fleshy part consists of muscles. Muscles contract and relax as the different parts of our body moves. Muscle gives our body a specific shape and posture. Muscles are the bundles of fiber that can contract and relax as required. We know that the movements of bones and the joints are also performed with the help of muscles. Without muscles, our body is impossible to be moved. So, the muscles plays an important role in movement also with the help of bones. We know that the bones are also covered with the muscles. Muscles also provide us the cushioning effect and support for the further damage or injuries to the bones. Let us see now what is the mutual relationship between muscles and bones. Muscles are firmly attached to the bones by the means of tendons. When muscle contract, there is a movement at the joint and the bones move either nearer to or away from each other. The action of muscle is necessary for all kinds of movement, from the small movement of eyelids to those that demand the great strength when chopping wood with an axe. We use muscle for various movements like talking, laughing, walking, jumping, throwing, etc. Here you can see when we do gym or exercise, the muscle starts contracting and relaxation. In relaxation there is no movement and in contraction their movement is needed. Do you know there are more than 600 muscles in the human body? Muscles contribute almost 40% of the weight of healthy adult human body. There are about 30 muscles in the human face. Our eyes, mouth, and nose are encircled by the small muscles. Expressions like happiness, sadness, fear are expressed by the movements of these muscles of the face. So, we should remember that these 600 muscles in our body plays a very important role for doing different activities and it contributes about 40% of human adult weight. So if the weight of a person is 100 kg, the 40 kg weight will be only of muscles and 30 muscles on the face. It works together for showing the different expression on the face. There are different kinds of muscles, voluntary muscles and involuntary muscle. What is meaning of voluntary muscles? The working with our hand, walking, eating, etc. are the functions that depends upon our will. Will means इच्छा शक्ती. आपण आपल्या इच्छाप्रमाणे जी हालचाल करतो त्याला आपण voluntary muscles म्हणतो. Like muscles used in these actions are voluntary muscle. For example, muscles in our arms, legs are voluntary. And those which are not performed by our will are involuntary. जे आपण इच्छा नसतानाही करत असतो. उदाहरणार्थ श्वासन क्रिया, that is breathing, blood circulation, pumping of heart. These are the vital functions which are involuntary and essentials for the life. They do not depend upon our will. The muscles of organs which carry out these involuntary functions are known as involuntary muscles. Functions of organs like stomach, intestine, heart are carried out in the own fixed manner by involuntary muscles. Which organs in our body have voluntary muscles and which organs have involuntary one? Find out and make a list of it. This is the activity given for the child. So you have to make a list of these two muscles, that is voluntary and involuntary. Let us see now the types of muscles. Skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles, the two ends of each of these muscles are attached to the different bones. For example, the muscles of arms and the legs. Their movements are voluntary. Voluntary means what? We can move it by our own will. They are responsible for holding the bones of the skeleton together and giving the shape to the body. Heart muscles or cardiac muscles. These muscles bring about contraction and relaxations of the heart. The movement is involuntary and we know that the heart rate is about 70 times per minute. Smooth muscles. These muscles are present in the internal organs other than that of the heart. For example, muscles of stomach, intestine, blood vessels, uterus, etc. Their movements are involuntary and they are slow. Various vital functions of our body, of which we remain quite unaware, are carried out by the special muscles. Generally, we know that stomach muscle, intestine muscles, they are also an involuntary one which works without our will. Thank you for watching the video.